So my Honeywell ProSeries, yes, the cool on is not flashing, but it's also not starting to cool. You put any number, it's not gonna care. And at one point, it's gonna reset it to 80 by itself. Okay, so you see, now I put it back in auto, and after a while stopped. But now I have the cool on flashing. Cool on flashing is good because it means that it's in transition, so it could start the AC when it stops blinking. But remember to check always the drain. So you know they have this drain, there is always water inside, especially when it's hot and humid. And this sensor, you know, when you push it in, it floats up when there is water, like now. See, it's not too much, but it's enough, and that is going to stop the AC from working. So you have to go from the outside and suck the slime out, because it's probably in the drain. See, now after, I think it lasted 5 minutes, the cool on doesn't blink anymore, and everything started because I keep this outside. Of course, tomorrow I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna suck the slime out of the drain from the outside, but that's what it is. It stops cooling because of that sensor, and then it takes like 5 minutes to restart because it's like, what is that? You know, it's waiting. It's like protecting the compressor from restarting suddenly, something like that. But it's very simple. It's only that. There's nothing else. And you know what this accumulation could happen? That's what I noticed. If, for example, you go away for the whole day and you put the temperature up because you don't want to cool the house continuously, nobody's in the house, it could happen that if it's very humid, the water accumulates here because for all day it's cooling just a little bit, and then you get this problem. And that's what happened exactly here. Today they put it up, I believe it was 82. See, now it's working fine. They put 81, it stopped. But they put it 82, so it went high and it stayed off all day and the water accumulated. So now it's not working anymore. So you see now it's cool on. It's flashing again because it gives the time to the compressor to stop and start again. But everything's gonna work fine.